welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I revamped this old wig. So I cut the lace on this wig, and I had already installed it prior to this video. So I'm just going to be showing y'all how I revamped it, bleached it, and dyed it, and brought it back to life. So I'm just going to brush out the wig so that there's no knots, no kinks, none of that. So that when I'm ready to bleach it, it's straight as possible. So I'm going to be bleaching the front perimeter of the hair and also the back by the nape. So I'm going to be using the Clairol Professionals BW2 and 30 Developer to bleach this hair. This is the consistency, and let's just get to bleaching. I always say this in my videos. I'm pretty sure y'all know this already. I'm not a professional. I don't do other people's hair. I do my own hair. So if I did anything incorrectly or anything, comment down below and let me know what I did wrong, and I'll just take note of that. Honestly, I'm open to suggestions and opinions. So after that, I washed the hair out, and I added the color off camera. So this is the color that came out. Mind you, I was gonna do a kind of like purple, but this is giving like a burgundy. But we ball, you feel me? What y'all think? Like that, Okay, so after I blow dried the wig, I decided to use this holding spray. It's the Fantasia holding spray, and use my hot comb to get the front as flat as possible. Then I took this wax stick. I believe the brand is Cantu. So I took the wax stick after I did the Fantasia, and I'm gonna take my hot comb and do the same thing. So now I have my curling wand, and I'm just gonna make wand curls in the hair all around. Honestly, I don't know how to do curls with the flat iron. I really need to watch some videos and see how to do that, because I like those curls better. It gives more volume than the wand curls, but we'll do this for now. Now y'all, don't come for me about these curls. I get lazy when it's time to curl hair and straighten it. I hate it. I really do. But I'm just gonna finger comb out these curls and see what it's giving. Some of them I had to redo because it wasn't giving what it was supposed to give. But yeah. Normally I'm quick to switch up my playlist. My mind, I'll pack my bag and don't say shit. I got what it takes to say this. I got all the plays and I played it out like this. I wanted to say this. I want us to make it. I'll trade it all for. So after all that work, this is the finished product. Tell me this hair doesn't look bomb.com. I want to try a different color soon, so stay tuned for that. We'll see how that goes. But thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for my next video. Bye.